Hey everyone, I am so excited about our third conference on reentry, which will be coming this August 25th from 1 to 5 p.m. at the Church Triumphant in West Columbus, 1001 Vera Place, Columbus, Ohio. Again, that's Church Triumphant. Columbus, Ohio on 1001 Vera Place. I encourage you to join us. Some of the speakers, I'll roughly go over them. I can't remember the topics on all of them. One of them is the Ohio Public Defenders. We'll be talking about who's eligible for expungement. We have Michelle Schemmel, who is our treasurer. That's going to be talking about advocating for your family. We have Melinda Dawson going to do one on wrongful convictions. We have the Tapestry ladies from Ohio Reformatory for Women doing one. And I believe we may have Pastor Rick Reynolds, Michelle Reynolds' husband, doing one on overcoming obstacles. And Wendy Terra, of course, is going to do one on upcoming laws, and Beverly Seymour will be doing one on our proposal to the legislation on reforming the parole board. And I'm really excited. Our two main speakers are really awesome. Carlos Christian, who is an author, former inmate, and a mentor to our young people and our younger generations to help them become better fathers. And then Stacy Aller, who was an inmate up at Ohio Reformatory for Women, will be doing she'll be one of the speakers. She was part of the Embark program that was started by former Warden Christine Money of Ohio Reformatory for Women and Marion Correctional. She was my warden when I first got to Marion. And I think that's a very awesome and program that really helps our folks inside of the prison as well as when they get out. They have a 1-year program, I think it is, before their release. And if you have a chance, I'm sure they have a website. It might be under Kindway, I'm not sure. Gary Pollock, who worked for Horizon Initiative, also works for them. And we encourage people formerly incarcerated or family members of those who are still incarcerated and friends, please join us on August 25th at the Church Triumphant. And let's bring together unity and see how we can help these folks. Remember this, folks. Stable housing, stable employment will cut down on recidivism. If we don't help these folks and they come out of prison homeless, as so many do, we're pushing them back into reoffending. Actually, the state is, because really they should be finding housing for these people. And since they are not, one of the initiatives we are praying about and trying to work towards, that's a transitional type housing that would house a few men and women. Granted, it won't be enough for everyone, but it would be a start. We may have to start with a program first, but we'll see where that goes. If you'd like to make a donation to our reentry workshop, please go to our website, www.fair treatment reform and reentry. And also check out some of the upcoming events. And let's plan on August 25th at the Church Triumphant, 1001 Vera Place in Columbus, Ohio. That is Steve Fletcher's home church, and his pastor is there. Steve Fletcher is our chaplain. Thank you, everyone.